Hey, it's Miss Nita Ray, and I have an original poem that I'd like to spit for you all, entitled, Ladies, Can We Please Stop Hating? Girl, why is you hating? All I'm saying is let a sister do her. Talking junk about each other, flirting with her lover, sleeping with her brother, all up in her face acting like you love her. Girl, you's a trip. But if the script was flipped, you be ready to make a scene. Nigga, where's the Vaseline? Pull your hair back, call up the team, I just don't get it. Why do females be tripping? Clocking how the next chick dress, all the while stepping out exposing all kinds of ass and breasts? Ain't that a mess? Now, if that's how you impress, hey, work what you got, I ain't hating at all. Rock your Gucci, rock your Prada, but we all can ball. Better yet, have some respect for the honest lady working hard for hers. Cause half of y'all be fronting, boosting from your lace front wigs to your drawers. Bragging about what you got, this and that, scheming. Zip that. You was just at DSS for a reason. Now, I ain't teasing. I'm tired of the bickering. Where is the love and respect that we all should be rendering? I can tell you one thing. It faded when we made it A-okay for a man to address us as his bitch. Then it shifts. To our sisters, we became her bitch. And to the ones outside the loop, we became some bitches bitching about some bitch shit. Now, I'm not one to trip about how times have changed, because they have, and these things are socially acceptable. And I'm no exception, except I embrace my fellow sisters, especially the ones that I call my bitch. But you can't deny that it's much implied that we should react to the claim, since the times have changed, with a disposition that's slightly more demeaning. On the low, though, that's just what the songs say as we hump, pump, and grind, work, jerk, and twerk our behinds on the dance floor. But you looking at her like she nasty, and she looking at you with her nose all up in the air because she think that she classy. I thought we was all here to have a good time. I'm not here for this little kid nonsense going on around me. You think her outfit nice? Just tell her. And she shouldn't have to say no homo to you to tell you you pretty. It's a pity. A girl would think if you looking at her, you want to fight or you a dyke. I don't mean that in a derogatory way, no shape or form. All I'm trying to say is this mess gotta change. In my city, the ratio of men to women is 1 to 5. And it's sad when most women I know would rather chill with guys. But I ain't surprised, because I'm the same way. Because women scrutinize and pollute their minds with irrelevant gossip and drama. Talk about you like a dog. Their sisters, their aunts, their mamas. To my black sisters in the hood, in particular, we have got to stop with the scrutiny and sympathize. We walk around mad with frowns on our faces like it's cute. Yo, what is the root? All I'm trying to say is, ladies, can we please stop hating?